Have you ever pondered what lurks in the vast expanse of space, seemingly empty and yet full of mysteries? Before we venture further into this cosmic journey, we'd like to request a small favor. If you find our content intriguing, do consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It will ensure that you're always updated with our latest content. Now that that's out of the way, let's embark on a journey to debunk this common misconception about space. We're often told that space is a vacuum, a void with nothing in it. But that's not entirely true. It's as vacant as it seems. In fact, it's brimming with a multitude of elements that are invisible to our naked eye. Imagine a glass jar. At first glance, it appears empty, but is it really? It's filled with air, a mixture of gases that we can't see. Similarly, space, despite appearing empty, is far from it. In the grand cosmic theater, space is the stage set with cosmic dust, dark matter and energy. Cosmic dust, tiny particles floating in space, are scattered all around. They are the remnants of exploded and other raw materials for the creation of new stars and planets. Then there's dark matter and dark energy, two of the most mysterious entities in the cosmos. They are unseen, yet we know they exist because of the gravitational effects they have on visible matter. They make up a whopping 95% of the universe. And let's not forget the invisible forces in play, such as gravity. These forces bind everything together, from the smallest dust particles to the largest galaxies, dictating the ballet of celestial bodies. So space isn't just an empty void, it's teeming with particles, forces and energies that we're just beginning to understand. And each discovery, each new understanding, only adds to the enigma that is space. So if you think space is just an empty void, think again. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we realize that every corner of space, every seemingly empty patch, holds a story waiting to be told. What if we told you that the vast expanse of space is not as clean as you imagine? Yes, the cosmos is a lot messier than you might think. It's filled with cosmic dust and stellar remnants, the leftover crumbs from the grand feast of star creation and destruction. These are not merely detritus or space waste, but the essential ingredients that contribute to the birth of new stars and planets. Now let's talk about cosmic dust. This isn't your ordinary household dust. Cosmic dust is tiny particles of solid matter floating about in the space between stars. Some are so small that 1,000 of them would fit across the width of a human hair. These are the ashes of stars, the result of stellar explosions known as supernovae. When a star explodes, it throws out an enormous amount of material, some of which cools and condenses into these dust particles. These tiny specks are not just aimlessly floating around. They are the seeds that can eventually grow into new stars and planets. They clump together, gradually accumulating more and more material until they form the cores of future stars or the building blocks of planets. Next, we have stellar remnants. These are the cores left behind after a star has exhausted its nuclear fuel and blown off its outer layers. Depending on the mass of the original star, a remnant could be a white dwarf, a neutron star, or even a black hole. These remnants play a vital role in the cosmic cycle of birth and death. They are often the sites of new star formation. Matter from the surrounding space, including cosmic dust, is drawn towards these remnants by their strong gravitational pull. Over time, this process can lead to the birth of a new generation of stars and planets. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each twinkling star is part of an ongoing, cosmic recycling process. The universe is continually creating and recreating itself, with cosmic dust and stellar remnants playing an essential role in this grand cosmic ballet. Space, it turns out, is a cosmic recycling center, continually creating and recreating itself. What if the things you can't see are the ones shaping the universe the most? Let's delve into the unseen, the mysterious, the invisible matter that pervades our universe. This isn't science fiction, rather it's the intriguing reality of our cosmos, a reality that's dominated by two enigmatic entities, dark matter and dark energy. Imagine a vast ocean, filled with life, but the life we see only makes up a tiny fraction of the ocean's inhabitants. That's similar to our universe. The stars, galaxies and cosmic dust we observe only constitute about 5% of the universe. The rest, a whopping 95%, is made up of dark matter and dark energy, invisible to us, yet undeniably present. Dark matter, an elusive substance, doesn't interact with light or any other form of electromagnetic radiation, making it virtually impossible to detect directly. However, we know it exists, thanks to the gravitational effects it exerts on visible matter, It's like a cosmic ghost, unseen but felt, influencing the movement of galaxies and shaping the large-scale structure of the universe. On the other hand, dark energy, even more perplexing than dark matter, is the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. It's like an unseen hand stretching a cosmic rubber sheet, causing galaxies to drift apart faster and faster. The nature of this dark energy is one of the biggest puzzles in modern physics. Both dark matter and dark energy, though invisible and elusive, are the very elements that dictate the grand cosmic ballet. They shape galaxies, drive the universe's expansion, and determine its ultimate fate. While we may not see them, we can't ignore their profound influence on the cosmos. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the unseen. Remember the silent rulers of our cosmos. Dark matter and dark energy, the unseen forces, are the puppet masters of the universe. Ever wondered what's keeping us from drifting into the abyss of space? It's an invisible force that we often take for granted, but it's utterly crucial to our existence. That force is gravity. Imagine gravity as the cosmic glue that holds the universe together. Without it, there would be no stars, no planets, and certainly no life as we know it. It's gravity that pulls together the dust and gas in space to form stars. It's gravity that keeps our planet, Earth, in a steady orbit around the sun, and it's also gravity that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground. But gravity isn't just about keeping things together. It also influences the way celestial bodies move. Consider our moon, for instance. It doesn't just hang in the sky, it's constantly falling towards Earth. But because Earth is also moving, the moon keeps missing it, resulting in what we call an orbit. That's gravity at work. And it's not just about massive objects like stars and planets. Gravity can even influence the path of light. You may have heard of a phenomenon called gravitational lensing, where the gravity of a massive object can bend the path of light that comes near it. This can result in multiple images of the same distant object, a cosmic mirage, if you will. However, despite its omnipresence, gravity remains one of the least understood forces in the universe. It's incredibly weak compared to other fundamental forces, yet it has an unlimited range and can act across vast distances. It's this mystery that makes gravity such a fascinating topic of study. It's important to remember that while we may not fully understand gravity, we can certainly appreciate its role. It's the invisible hand that shapes the universe, guiding the cosmic dance of galaxies, stars, planets, and even the tiniest particles. It's this cosmic dance that has been going on for billions of years and will continue for billions more. Gravity, the invisible hand, guides the cosmic dance. So, is space truly empty, or is it teeming with unseen forces and particles? That's the question we've been exploring, and the answer is fascinatingly complex. Let's take a quick recap. We've spoken about cosmic dust and stellar remnants. These are the tangible objects we can detect, the remnants of stars long dead and the dust that will form the stars of tomorrow. But they only make up a small fraction of space. Then there's the invisible matter, the elusive dark matter and energy. These invisible elements are like the enigmatic characters in our cosmic drama, unseen yet exerting influence. They make up the lion's share of our universe, yet we can only perceive their presence indirectly. We've also discussed gravity, the cosmic glue that binds everything together. Gravity, like an unseen puppet master, choreographs the dance of celestial bodies, from the smallest particles to the mightiest galaxies. So, what does all this mean for the nature of space? It means that space is far from empty. It's a dynamic, vibrant tapestry woven from a multitude of elements, both visible and invisible. It's a cosmic symphony where every particle and force plays a unique note. Every speck of dust, every unseen particle, every gravitational wave is a part of this grand composition. They all contribute to the melody of the cosmos, a melody that is constantly being written and rewritten as the universe evolves. Space is not a void, but a living, breathing entity. It's an ever-changing landscape, shaped by the forces that act within it. It's a cosmic stage where the grand drama of the universe unfolds. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember, you're not looking at emptiness, but a cosmic symphony of unseen forces and particles humming the tune of the universe.